Hey, it's Zena, and FTTMWTAG sent me this smartwatch to try. I am really excited to check out all the features, try it on. Let's unbox it. It does come really well packaged in the box. You do have to attach the watch bands to the actual watch. Comes with a charger. This is the smartwatch. Comes with a manual, how to set up your phone and how to use it. So go ahead, attach the watch bands, put it on and turn it on, and look at this beautiful 1.9-inch touch screen. On your phone, go ahead and download the app called Da Fit, and then attach your watch with Bluetooth, find the device, sync the device, and then in the Da Fit app, you set up your profile, gender, height, and weight. And this is important because the watch tracks your heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen, and it monitors your sleep as well. You have from over 100 watch faces to choose from, whatever design you like the face to look like. There are also exercises and classes that you can participate in, even meditation classes. You do have to go to the settings and allow the health app on your phone to read and write to the smartwatch so it can work properly. And if you want to get texts, messages, calls, and those notifications, you have to allow it in settings as well. Now, on the phone itself, you can obviously control the settings as well, what it should do, if it should vibrate or it should ring. And as well, you can read your text messages, see your activity, and obviously your sleep and other vital activity. In addition to that, this watch has numerous cool features, such as you can check the weather, you can control the volume and start and stop music that is playing on your phone. You can also use it as a shutter button for your camera. Other cool things include being able to play some games, and in addition to that, you can also use a calculator and a stopwatch, amongst many other features. You can voice activate it so you can tell it what to do and create goals for all different types of activities that you want to do. So overall, I love the watch. It is comfortable. It's almost 2 inches, so very easy to tap and find things and do things. The app is easy to use and connect, and then it unlocks a whole bunch of features. And this is just so useful, really comfortable, really well made, and I know I'm going to really enjoy using this watch.